Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mimi. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the L'Oreal Professionnel Serie Expert range for dry damaged hair, because my hair has been feeling really dry and damaged lately. I'm guessing it's because of the weather, but it's feeling really rough, dry and damaged whenever I touch it, and because of that it's getting knotted super easily. So this range was recommended to me by a friend of mine who already has severely damaged hair, and and to her this range was recommended by her hairstylist. So she told me that I should give this range a try and see how this range works for my particular hair type. So I'm super excited to give this range a try and see how it works for my hair. So let's get moving. In the range, step 1 is the Absolute Repair shampoo. You want to use a hair mask on hair that has just been cleansed with a shampoo. So now I'm going to quickly go wash my hair with the shampoo and then I'll be right back. I've washed my hair with the shampoo and it already feels soft and smooth. Now moving on to step 2, which is the hair mask. Here you can see I'm dividing my hair in sections while applying hair mask. It is always best to work in sections. And also here you can notice that my hair isn't dripping wet. I have towel dried my hair after washing my hair with the shampoo. Now to my favorite part, which is the mask. Here you guys can see the texture of the mask, and the mask smells divine. It has this beautiful butter-like texture that blends so nicely and easily. So the mask is enriched with gold quinoa and wheat protein, and the professional butter-like formula of the instant resurfacing mask immediately strengthens damaged hair while leaving it smooth and shiny to touch. The mask deeply nourishes, conditions and repairs damaged hair, leaves hair feeling stronger, smoother and softer to touch. So a mask should always be applied on damp hair, which is something that hairstylists also recommend. It's a potent formula that will spread through the hair very easily. Also, you guys can see here that I'm applying the mask only from the mid-length to the ends of my hair. I'm not bringing the mask on my scalp or near the roots of my hair. After applying the mask on my hair, I'm gonna leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and then I'll rinse it off with only water. Step 3 is the Absolute Repair Hair Serum. The hair serum is really lightweight and non-sticky, just how I like my hair serums to be. I'm gonna quickly take 1 or 2 pump of the hair serum on my palm and I'm gonna apply it through the ends and the mid-lengths of my hair to seal the nourishment that the mask has provided to my hair, and I can already feel how soft the mask has made my hair. I'm definitely adding the mask to my hair care regime. So after applying the hair serum on my hair, I'm gonna leave my hair alone. So I have air dried my hair completely, and this is how my hair looks like after using the range on my hair. As you guys can see, there is no knots, nothing in my hair, and my hair feels so soft and smooth to touch. Like I can't stop touching my hair since it got dry. So I would highly recommend you guys to try out this range. If your hair feels dull, dry and damaged, do give this range a try. Especially I would recommend the hair mask, because the mask is just amazing. So do give it a try, and the range is available online. I got mine from online, so you can get it too. If you guys want to check out the range, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So that was it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later soon with another video. Till then, bye.